Dalawang tao umorder sa atin ulit sa TikTok shop. Big shoutout kay myloves.01 at saka kay callmekimi24, no? Umorder sila ng tig-isang bote. Ngayon, itong si Callme, ang name mo is Kim, no? Shoutout sa iyo, Ma'am Kim. You're from Dasmariñas, Cavite. Friday, marireceive mo lang itong order niya. I'm shooting this video Wednesday night. No, it's 8:37 in the evening. Tapos itong isa na si My Loves. What's your name? Teng? Boss Teng, no? You're from San Simon, Pampanga. Mga Friday lang din, marireceive mo itong orders o order mo. So, basically, Wednesday night ngayon, mahahanda itong mga orders ninyo. Ma-prepare ito. Tomorrow is Thursday. Thursday morning, I'm going to fix this. Bibigyan ko din kayo ng libreng organic lemons galing sa probinsya namin sa Cordillera. No? And then mapipick up to ng mga lunchtime or after lunch ng J&T Express. Ma'am, taga Dasma ka lang, Friday marireceive niyo po ito. Tapos sa'yo, Boss Teng, taga San Simon ka, Friday lang din marireceive mo to. Kung hindi man Friday, Sabado, pero I think Friday marireceive mo to. No, Boss Teng, so maraming salamat sa inyo. Bukas update ko po kayo agad. As well as pag na-pick up na ng J&T Express. Maraming salamat. Organic lemons and your pure honey, you will receive that on Friday. God bless you.